Hello! What's up? Once again, it's your El Maestro at nagbabalik na naman tayo ngayon para sa isa na namang informative video. Bago tayo magsimula ay nais ko muna kayong batiin ng isang magandang araw. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, huwag na huwag mong kakalimutang mag-like, mag-comment, mag-share, at mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel at hit mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa lahat ng mga videos na aking i-upload sa mga susunod na araw. Ang video natin ngayon mga kamaestro ay tungkol sa clothing allowance for 2021 at iba pang updates mula naman sa DepEd Uniform Committee. So huwag na nating patagalin pa. Tara, umpisahan na natin. Alright, so magandang araw muli sa inyong lahat mga kamaestro. So ito pong ating video ngayon ay alam ko naman na ito ay taon-taon na nating natatanggap, no? Yung ating clothing allowance. Pero alamin pa rin natin yung mga detalye kung kailan ba natin ito matatanggap, no? So at least mayroon tayong inaasahan pa rin, no? Na kahit alam naman natin na sabi ko nga kanina, ito ay yearly naman natin natatanggap, no? At least ito ay sure, no? Kumpara naman doon sa isa nating inaantay mga kamaestro, no? Yung ating PBB o yung ating performance based bonus na until now ay we're still hoping na mai-release na at maibigay na sa atin. Pero as of now po mga kamaestro ay wala pa tayong concrete date details kung kailan talaga natin matatanggap yung ating PBB, no? So dito muna po tayo ngayon sa medyo malapit sa katotohanan, no? At talagang katotohanan, no? Yung ating clothing allowance, kasi yung ating PBB ay medyo pag umasa tayo ng umasa baka masaktan tayo, hindi. Joke lang mga maestro, ha. So antay lang natin, no? Sabi nga darating din 'yan, no? So let us wait for the right time kung kailan ba talaga ibibigay yung ating PBB o yung ating performance based bonus, no? So ito po yung ating nakalap na impormasyon mula mismo sa page ng ating kagalang-galang Madam Yusek Annalyn Sibilia. So ito po in-update niya kaninang umaga, no? March 1, 2021. Okay. So DepEd Uniform Committee or the DUC has met today with 11 DepEd teaching and non-teaching organization representatives as regular members to discuss the release and use of the Fiscal Year 2021 clothing allowance of 6,000 per eligible employee. It was chaired by Yusek Rebsi Escobedo with myself, so referring to Madam Yusek Sibilia as the Vice Chairman of DUC, and Yusek Jess Mateo. Here are the agreements made in the DUC meeting which shall be presented for final approval by Secretary Leonor Magtolis Briones and the EXICOM members. So alamin natin mga kamaestro, ano ba yung mga napag-usapan nila kanina. So March 1, 2021 during the DUC meeting. The first one is the release of the clothing allowance, which shall be done not earlier than the first working day of every year. This shall be April 5, 2021 for this school year 2021-2022. Okay. So maliwanag po yon. Nakalagay dito is not earlier than, no, not earlier than the first working day of every year, which is April 5, 2021 for this school year 2021-2022. Okay, so expect po natin yan mga kamaestro na April 6 onwards ay makakatanggap na tayo ng ating clothing allowance amounting to 6,000 pesos. Then the second one na pinag-usapan nila sa kanilang DUC meeting, no, is the new sets of uniform for school year 2021-2022 shall be issued before the release of the 2021 clothing allowance with due consideration to the following factors: general availability of the textile materials in the market, comfort and durability of the textile materials, and presentable, modest, and with integrity overall outlook of the uniform design. So, expected natin mga kamaestro na yung ating 6,000 na matatanggap ay hindi natin siya pwedeng galawin or ibili ng ating mga personal na kagamitan. Okay? Kasi mayroon po tayong magiging bagong school uniform na gagamitin ngayong school year or ngayong parating na school year 2021-2022. Okay, so maliwanag yung kamaestro natin para sure tayo na pagdating ng bagong design ng uniform ay makakapagpatahi po agad tayo ng ating new design ng uniform for school year 2021-2022. Lalo na po pag nagkaroon na tayo ng face-to-face, no? So malamang sa malamang baka next school year ay magkakaroon na tayo ng limited face-to-face classes. So magagamit na talaga natin yung ating pinakabago, ang ating bagong-bagong uniforme. Okay? So antayin lamang po natin ang design na i-release soon. Okay? Next, in consideration with the current pandemic and the continuing implementation of the blended learning delivery and alternative working arrangements, school year 2021-2022 shall be considered as a transition period to allow ample time for employees to prepare for the new set of prescribed uniforms and will be lenient to personnel who will opt to use the old uniform design. But starting school year 2022-2023, all employees should wear the new set of uniform. Okay, so malinaw dito kamaestro, no, na yung ating new set of uniforms ay hindi pa naman talaga siya totally required ngayong school year 2021-2022. Okay? Kasi tayo nga po ay nasa transition period, no, from the blended learning into the new normal, no, na kung saan siguro tayo ay magkakaroon ng limited face-to-face. Siguro hindi mo na mangyayari yung ating traditional face-to-face na punong-puno yung ating classroom, na lahat ng upuan ay occupied ng bata. Siguro kahit magkaroon tayo ng vaccine, or ngayon nga, mayroon tayong vaccine na paunti-unting dumarating, and then sigurado niyan, 2021-2022, marami ng vaccine na darating yan, and then, hopefully, marami ng mabakunahan ng mga Pilipino para unti-unti na tayong bumalik sa normal, pero hindi ibig sabihin na ganun pa rin yung ating magiging sistema ng klase, ng ating face-to-face. So, malamang yan, tayo ay nasa limited face-to-face at hindi pwedeng punuin yung classroom, not in a 100% capacity. So, allow pa daw tayo na gumamit ng ating old uniform kung ating gugustuhin. Pero kung mayroon naman nga tayong pera, sabi ko kanina, kung naitabi nyo na yung ating 6,000 na clothing allowance, so once na dumating yung ating new design, pwede na kayo ora mismo magpatahi. No? Para naman sa new normal or sa July or August, sa ating opening of classes, ay meron na tayong bagong uniforme. Pero, hindi pa tayo required, no? Hindi tayo mandated or hindi tayo, yun nga, nire-required ng ating kagawaran na magsuot na agad ng ating bagong uniform. But, starting school year 2022-2023, kailangan tayo ay mayroon ng bagong uniforme. Okay? Required na tayo doon. Okay, then let us wait for the final and official issuance on the design and details of the new set of uniforms for teaching and non-teaching personnel for school year 2021-2022, which will come out before April 2021. Okay, so antay-antay lamang po natin yung ating bagong set of, or yung design ng ating bagong set of uniform para sa DepEd. So dito na po nagtatapos yung ating informative video. Sana po ay mayroon kayong mga nakuhang mahalagang impormasyon mula sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po. Once again, El Maestro. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!